In this video, I'll show you how to make everyone wait in the lobby in Microsoft Teams. This is useful if you want full control over who joins your meeting, especially for client calls, interviews, classes, or secure meetings. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the calendar. Click on your scheduled meeting, double-click it, select Manage Event, and then click Meeting Options. Look for the setting called Who Can Bypass the Lobby. By default, this may be set to allow people to join automatically. To make everyone wait in the lobby, change this setting to Only Organizer and Co-Organizer. This ensures that all participants, including people in your organization and external guests, must wait until you admit them. Once the meeting starts, anyone who tries to join will appear in the lobby. You'll see their name in the Participants panel before they enter the meeting. From there, you can admit people one by one or all at once when you're ready. This gives you complete control over who joins your meeting. You can also change this setting while the meeting is already in progress. Click the three dots, or More options, select Settings, and open Meeting Options to update the lobby settings. Using the lobby is one of the easiest ways to keep your Microsoft Teams meetings secure and organized. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Microsoft Teams tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.